is the new bed which my sister-in-law purchased before yesterday, and the cost of this one is almost this one, or including this what you call this one, and there is also this one, but we cannot join together here because there is no space, because there is door here, so we put in that place. Ayan, this carpet is almost 20,000, this carpet. And this one bed, including this one, is almost 100, I think 140,000. 140,000. And this one is separate. Separate she buy from other furniture shop, because if this one, this bed, and together with this one bed is almost 40,000, only this one. So my sister-in-law, she buy from another shop this one mattress, and also this pillow cover, and this bed sheet. This is almost 5,000. Yes, 5,000 this one. And these curtains, this one one window, almost 10,000. These two curtains here. No, this is not two curtains. Four pieces of curtains. Ayan. Nice. But this one, including this bed sheet and this mattress, occupy, I think all occupy here. So my sister-in-law, she buy only like this one. Ayan, nice, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. Because this is my mother-in-law bed before, and this old bed they remove already because it's already broken. Now we can see outside this old bed. They keep already outside. Ay, saan na ba yan? Wait, very hard to open this one. And over there, that bed sheet, bed. Labas tayo. Cannot be open here because this carpet, it's not okay. So we go another place. We not go another way. Yan, ito yung bed. Oh. Ayan, it's already broken because this is already very, very old. So that's why my sister-in-law purchased another kind of bed. Ayan, oh, very old na kasi. Ayan, oh, broken na. But it's can be repaired, this one. We can repair this one and then we'll bring up. And this is the old carpet. We can wash this one and we can use also. We can bring up. Ayan. Ayan yung anak ng hipag ko. Ay, Aris, Eman, Aris and Hamzai, oh. Aris and Ima, kunda. I don't know, bar, dike?
With Hamza? Hamza? बेटा आप किधर हो? तो खाना नहीं खाना था आपने सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं जाना नहीं क्यों?
So balik tayo ulit sa loob. Dito naman yung kusina.
नहीं बेटा. आए इधर.
Ito yung another room. Balik tayo dito ulit. Ayan. Very expensive this bed, but it's very nice. Color is nice, no? Very nice. It's mas maganda sana kung naka-join ito. with together with this bed, but it's no enough this room here, no enough space because there is door here and there is no enough also there, but it's okay if we can keep this one. Ang ganda also ng ano mirror. Ayan yung mirror. Sana ba yan? Yan yung mirror. Nice to sit down. Oh. Ganda. Ayan. Ang mahal. Ito naman yung selling dito sa kwarto ng aking binan noon. Oh. Kailan ba yung namatay ng aking binan? 2020. December 16. So, 2021. 24. Ano na pala, 3 years. Past 3 years ago na. Mapo 4 years na. Ayan. Yung ano, pangalawa na ano, anak ng hipag ko. Yung isa naman yung kapitbahay namin. You lie down. Nice, very nice bed.
Yes, very nice. Look at that. Ashu, look here. Here.
There is also something put also inside. Ayan. Mayroon pala dito. How about here, Rafi? Dito rin. Meron din dito. Meron din dito. But cannot be open. Meron din dito. Can be open. Pwede din paglagyan dito. You can put also something here. No? Nice. Ayan, may mga ano. Ang ganda. Ayan, maraming paglalagyan. Ayan, dami. Ayan. Galing. Ganda pero maganda din yung ano price. Maraming paglalagyan. Dito din yung side. Ayan. May extra na ano carpet. Maganda din itong kulay ng carpet. But very expensive. 20,000. This is the whole space of one room here. And these are the cupboards, cabinets to put dresses. Yan. Anything you can put here. I think this is blankets. Ayan. May mga blankets dito. Bedsheet. And this is room here. And check. Ayan, ito yung main room. May gallery dito. Nakalak. Saan ba nakalak? Nakalak dito yung dyan sa main room. Dyan naman ay yung washroom dyan.